My name's Matt Wetzel. I'm a system design specialist with Ayers. I live in Ovid-Elsie. It's a small farming community with my fiance Becca. We have 4 cats. We are raising 5 chickens. We like to, do a lot of things outdoors. We're on a little bit of property out there, so this is the first year that we started to make maple syrup. So we, tap some of our maple trees out there and spend a lot of time doing that. So as a system design specialist, what I do is I come out to the customer's house, figure out what the issues are that's going on with their basement or their foundation. I provide a solution to them along with any other things that they might want to accomplish. I started with the company about 2 years ago as a service technician. So I got a lot of hands-on experience as far as how the products went into the ground, how it all works together. Having that insight, it helps me work with customers with more unique situations, things that don't happen every day, and ultimately achieve what they want out of their house. When I go out to people's houses, I really have no idea who I'm going to meet, what kind of issues they're having with their basement or their crawl space. And one of the things that I really enjoy is really figuring out why am I there? Why are they wanting to fix these issues? Yeah, nobody wants to have water in a basement, but is it because they want to finish their basement because they're expecting a new child, or is this their dream home that they really want to protect that property value? That's one of the things that I like is figuring out what it really means to them, and the impact that we can actually have on them when we do fix these issues is really what gives me a lot of satisfaction out of that.